Please pay attention. This is just a preview. To get the full free affiliate marketing course, click the link above the video, and get started with Affiliorama today. It's free.
Getting started with affiliate marketing is actually really easy. Start by checking out the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners lesson. Now, these exciting video lessons will get you started on the right foot and teach you the basics of affiliate marketing. And most importantly, you need to take action. The most successful affiliate marketers are those who do, rather than those who think about doing. Take what you learn from Affiliorama and start working hard. You might not get it right the first time, but the experience is what really counts when you are learning affiliate marketing. You will hone your skills and abilities over time.
So here's our suggestion. Learn how to make money online as an affiliate, promote other people's products and make money for yourself. We show you how. Create your free Affiliorama membership and start today. Join now, it's free. Click the link above the video. Or visit mmn-global.com/business and get started with Affiliorama today. It's free. What are you waiting for?